Galaxy Z Fold 5 promotional images. Tipster Ashan Agarwal on Threads shared official-looking marketing images of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. These images show the complete design of the foldable, which looks quite identical to the predecessor. A large inner folding screen and a slim outer screen with a punch hole cutout. The Type-C port and speaker grills are at the bottom, while the volume rocker and power button are on the right edge. The foldable can be seen in blue and gold color options. Besides design, one thing that caught our attention is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5's case, which is unlike any other phone case. There is a slot to hold an S Pen. There have been rumors that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 would get an S Pen support since last year, but this rumor was shot down mainly because it was believed that Samsung wanted to make the Fold 5 thinner and having an S Pen slot would prevent that. Now with the latest images, it appears that Samsung may have found a working solution. While this may not sound like an exciting addition on paper, it is enough upgrade over the Fold 4 to get people into buying.